Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to credit card login into the Barclays Bank. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my further videos. And let's get started with the tutorial. Firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. And you just have to click on the search bar and type the Barclays. And when you have successfully written the Barclays Bank, you just have to click on the enter button, and this web search result will be shown. And in the first web search result, there is a Barclays Bank official website. You just have to click on it and this part will be opened. So in the top right corner, there is a login option. You just have to click on the login option, and here you can enter the details and you can log in into the Barclays account successfully. So most people get confused in the part that your online banking account and your credit card account is same. It is not different, so don't get confused in here. So when you have successfully logged in into this website, then there will be a credit card section. You can just go into the credit card section and you can do anything related to the credit card. You can apply for it, you can activate it, and you can do anything services that is provided to you by the Barclays Bank on the credit card section. So this is how you can easily credit card log in into the Barclays Bank. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.